Okay, this one's super quick, super easy. 3 reasons why you need an editable or virtual attendance tracker. Hi guys, I'm Michelle Colo and I help educators, service providers, and parents work with special needs populations to be able to save time and energy and to focus on what they really love. So let's be real, y'all, this year I can't keep track of anything because my mind is just so I have to write it all down. You need a editable or digital attendance tracker because you can easily track students' attendance and participation, whether you're in remote learning or in-person learning. Multiple staff can access this if they're helping you track who's doing assignments in Google Classroom or management system, or who's submitting assignments on Thistle or Rethink Autism. You're tracking stuff in there. You can put this all in one place. You can create a QR code and have all the staff have a place to access it, or you can just share with them in the sharing section on the Google form. This is a great way to track virtual therapies, Zoom sessions, one-on-one sessions. It's a great way to track in person. I have a clipboard with this information, but if we happen to go back to remote, which we haven't been this year because Texas, you know, you can do it in a Google form or a Google spreadsheet. You can track when the students are arriving late or leaving early. And this is great because if you're billing for Medicaid, which we bill through a company called SHARS, but if you're billing for Medicaid, you can't bill for times that the student wasn't there. So you can't just say, yep, they were here from 7:40 to 2:40. Like, you have to say, okay, they left today at 11, but then the next day they were here all day. So you want to be able to track that accurately. We can also track for Zoom sessions because we're providing cueing and prompting and redirecting, social skills, and all of those things. So we can bill for our Zoom time. So I make sure to track those Zoom times, which are 30-minute sessions, but I just make sure to document that, and super easy to do. And then I can go back and bill for SHARS so quickly because everything is in one place, organized. I understand what it means. And then I can also do attendance because we have to do 2 attendances this year. Submit for in-person attendance and remote attendance and track how they're submitting things remote, whether it's an assignment or a video instruction or something else, email, phone call, whatever. We have to document that. So my staff helps me do that and keep my sanity because it's all in one place. So if you're looking to streamline your attendance, because everything this year is uncontrollable and unmanageable, at least you can help find some clarity and some sanity in this system. If you're looking to track therapies or virtual instruction or in-person attendance or doctor's appointments and therapy time, leaving and coming in, then this is probably the tool for you. I did have a printable planner, and I still do. It's on my DPT shop. You're welcome to look at it, but I haven't touched it or looked at it this year just because everything is so fluid and I needed something to match that. So I hope this can be helpful for you guys. Feel free to take it, tweak it, modify it, use it however you feel will fit your needs. Let me know if it was helpful or what you did to update it to make it fit what you need, because just like our kids, we all need different things. So I hope that you guys can at least have a little bit of a breather with the time that you're saving with your editable virtual attendance tracker. Also, let me know how much you like this video by turning that thumbs up down there blue, and then that lets me know that you're wanting to see more. And I'll see you in the next video. Have fun teaching and take care of those kiddos. All right, guys, bye. Testing, testing, testing. Am I in focus?